So if you were to click the photos and upload it, most of the time what happens is that it has geotag location to it. But if you want to go ahead and then change out, let's say for example, the location, or to add in a geotag in an existing photo, then you can simply choose it right here just like this, then go to the three dot button and then click on edit location. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and then, let's say for example, choose something like Yangon right here just like this, and then you can go ahead and geotag that picture out right here just like this as well. So the location of it will be updated right here, and then if I were to go to the info section, you can see that now this is in Yangon, Myanmar. I can also go ahead right here, click on the three dot button, and then I can remove the location or then change this out as well. Let's say for example, if I were to select Sydney, then what happens is that it will now be selected as Sydney. So that is how you can actually go ahead and then geotag the location and then edit the photo location as you like for your photos inside of Google Photos. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.